Everyone, so today I'm going to show you a boo-boo that Aunty Crafty made when I went to cut something that I forgot to weld. I was in a rush trying to do some ring dishes and just went and cut it and forgot to friggin' weld it. Pardon my language, but it was actually worse than that once I realized what I did. So this is what it looks like when you forget to weld your letters together. You have all these little extra spaces in here, so it's not one uniform word. Yeah, and of course I didn't just do one, I did both because I'm an idiot and I was in a rush. So yeah, that's what happens. So please don't make this mistake. Yeah, not fun. Have a great day, everybody, and happy crafting. Bye.